Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make sugar cookies in a microwave. Start by gathering flour, sugar, butter, egg, baking powder, vanilla, and a microwave-safe bowl. Measure ingredients precisely and pre-mix dry ingredients separately from wet. Keep a close eye on short cook times and use low power bursts if your microwave runs hot. Let cookies rest briefly to firm up before handling or decorating. Mixing the dough is simple and forgiving for microwave baking. Cream softened butter with sugar until light, then beat in egg and vanilla. Fold in the dry mix gently until just combined and chill briefly if the dough is too soft. Use a small scoop for uniform cookies and flatten slightly for even cooking. Keep mixing time short to retain tenderness and an even crumb throughout each cookie. Cooking in a microwave requires attention, but yields fast results. Arrange small dough rounds on parchment or a microwave-safe plate with spacing, then cook on medium power in 20 to 30-second bursts until edges set. Rotate the plate between bursts for even heat and avoid overcooking, which makes cookies dry. Let cookies cool on a wire rack for a few minutes to finish firming and to avoid breakage when decorating or serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.